guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Tarvitillo and today we are going to create this very simple Rakhi look. Whether you are reuniting with your brother over a video call or tying a Rakhi on his hand in real time, you need a makeup that complements the occasion, polished and pretty without being overdone. If you like this look, then keep on watching to nail the look. First of all, I'll be priming my skin very well because I want my base to be perfect for the pictures. First, I'm using plum eye cream and massage it around my eyes using ring finger. I want to prep my eyes very well so that it doesn't look cakey. After that, I'm using a sunscreen by Mantra. It is very hydrating sunscreen with SPF of 30. Next, I'm using a hydrating primer by Makeup Studio and locking the moisture. That's it for the prepping of skin. Now let's move on to the correction. For correction, I'm using NW35 MAC Studio Fix Concealer and just concealing my affected areas. Next, I'm using foundation by Forever 52 all over my face. And blending it in a dabbing motion. After that, I will lightly highlight my face with a lighter color. This is from Forever 52 and shade number is COV003. It's really important to lock your base with a loose powder. I'm taking banana powder from Forever 52 and pressing it under my eyes. And also lightly dusting it all over my face. Next, I'm using a powder contour from ELF and I'm using this cool tone shade for contouring. I'm taking blush from ELF again and using these two colors on the apples of my cheeks. Now dusting off the excess powder under the eyes. After this, I'll be filling my brows using this pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade dark brown. Next, I'm using a very subtle highlighter from MAC. It's perfect for daytime. The shade name is Soft and Gentle. It gives you very beautiful illuminating cheeks. For the eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette and I'm taking this peach color for the crease. This is the easiest eye makeup and you can do it effortlessly. Next, I'm taking this darker shade and again blending this color on my crease. For the lid, I'm taking this darkest color from palette and depositing all over my lid. blending the edges of the two colors so that they look well blended. You can do this much, but if you like shimmery look, you can add shimmer just on the center of your eyes. It instantly pops out your lid and make them look big and bright. I'm redoing the inner and the outer corners with the darkest color. Now I'm highlighting my brow bones with the same highlighter. I'm just creating a thin liner using the Swiss Beauty pen eyeliner so that the band of the false lashes doesn't show. For the lower lid, I'm using this green color because I have a hint of green in my suit, so I wanted to incorporate this color somewhere. Similarly, if you have any contrasting color in your outfit, you can do the same thing with that color. I'm using the Lakme Iconic Regal Green Kajal in my waterline and completing the eye look. Finally, I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. For the mascara, I'm using the Lakme Absolute 3D Lash Voluminizer Mascara. For the lip liner, I'm using my favorite Nykaa's lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight. And for the lipstick, I'm using the MAC's Sheer Outrage Powder Kiss lipstick. This is the final look. You can also put bindi if you like. And don't forget to team up your beautiful accessories. I hope you like this look. Have a great Rakhi and do tag me if you try this look. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.